What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a New Orleans style barbecue shrimp that is out of this world. So many flavors going on. This is absolutely delicious, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. So we are going to begin with our pan to about a medium high, and what I'm going to do is melt down about a stick of some unsalted butter. Make sure it's unsalted. You don't want to add no unnecessary sodium to your dish and have your thing too salty. Alright, once we have that taken care of, we are going to drop in some chopped onion, some chopped bell peppers, as well as some minced garlic. You want to go ahead and cook that down for a couple minutes. Once that's taken care of, we are then going to add in the rest of our ingredients. Here we are adding about a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. Mine's is Sweet Baby Ray's, but you can add in whatever barbecue sauce you like. So go ahead and mix that in, get it incorporated, get these flavors talking to one another as we always do right here. Now we're going to add the remainder of our ingredients. We're going to drop in some hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, some lemon juice, some Old Bay seasoning, as well as Creole seasoning. Now we are going to add in our shrimp. This is a pound of some jumbo shrimp that is already peeled and deveined. Go ahead and drop these bad boys in, mix them, get them swimming in that yummy sauce that we got going on, and you're going to let them simmer for a little while. As you and I know, shrimp cooks very quickly. So you're talking about, for jumbo shrimp, probably less than 10 minutes total of it simmering in this yumminess right here. And to make it pop a little bit, we are going to drop in a couple slices of lemon and sprinkle in some parsley, and wow. This right here is pressure. I am trying to inform you. So this is the end result right here. Oh my goodness. Straight pressure. So much flavor going on. So delicious, yet so easy to make. I can't wait for you guys to try this yourselves. Once you do, make sure you double back. Drop a comment and let me know how you enjoy it. I will see you all on the next video. Doses.